Hello everybody, welcome back. First, like this video and subscribe to our channel to join our family. And let's start. Your PC is working very slow, or you want to make your PC a 10 times more faster. So you need to continue this video and don't forget to like this. Okay, let's start. So, after opening your laptop or PC, open your browser and type Microsoft PC Manager and type search. Then the Microsoft main page will open. The program is still in beta version, but it's good. Now you can download the Microsoft PC Manager on your PC and install it. Then run it from the desktop or the task manager. You find this in front of you. Now let's talk about it. At the top there is a setting wheel to run your PC automatically. When I sign to the window, you can turn it on and off. And also the auto update for PC Manager. You can check your updates and turn on or off your setting for PC Manager update. Then you have a secret button and the boost. You can run and you can click it. You have here a magic button with boost to boost your PC. Sometimes you will find temporary files with mega or gigabytes. You can boost it and your PC will run fast after this. Also, you have multiple tabs over here. Health check to check the health of your PC and your hardware. And also you have a storage management to deep clean your C or your PC totally and manages the large files, manage apps, storage scenes. And then the process management to end any running program in the background. And it's totally different from the task manager. Task manager may be sometimes not responding, but the process management from PC Manager never do that. You can see here every program running in the background and you can end it without any problems and without any lags and without any harm or error to your program. And also you have the most important tab over here, which is startup apps. Here you can turn on and off the programs running with you when you start your PC. Google Chrome will kill your PC at the start, so turn it off and you can start using your Google Chrome when you need it only. And if you aren't a fan or a big fan for Google Chrome, because Google Chrome is sometimes hard and very heavy on your PC and can harm you, and you aren't a big fan for Google Chrome, you can use instead Bing AI or Brave or Opera or Mozilla Firefox. You can choose whatever you want. But startup apps, you need to turn off your Google Chrome and you will find your PC more faster and the opening. Also, you can choose any program you want from this type and turn it off to fasten your PC. And also down there there is a security tab. You can click over it and check, is there any window update, is there any update available. You can update your PC from this, and browser protection for safety. And also you can choose from there your default browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and as I mentioned, Brave, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, Bing AI. Choose your default or your beloved one and start using it. You can make a scan for your PC and you need to do this regularly to check the health and to make sure your PC is running without any problems and without any viruses. So a very tight program very simple interface. You can use it easily to boost and make your PC a 10 time or 100 time faster. Try it and leave a comment with your experience in this program. So that's what I wanted to say, and see you later. Bye.